Chantel, may I say hi, hello. Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome to Lightlink. Welcome to Lightlink at ISE 2020. You can see our new booth design. Lightlink is planning to rock the market with transparent displays. And now Lightlink has different kind of product ranges. So you can see first our oak. Is our new product. You can remove the block of power supply and the receiving cards. On the corners we can add corner protection. We have 2.9, 3.9 indoor and outdoor. And Lightlink is changing itself with the COB technology. And the same that we have new lock type is very powerful. And also this is our, can be used as floor. You can see the special glass over it, which can be durable. And also you can remove the power supply box easy. This can be used as both indoor, outdoor, and also for floor applications. Even I'm now walking over it, and I can jump on it. Yeah, it's very easy and very powerful. On that corner is our bestseller Pillory series with its new locking system. And very easy to remove power box unit. Inside we have two power supplies and working with redundancy, and there is a receiving card inside. And every corner, you can see here there's corner protection. This is which is mostly asking for. And this cabinet has indoor and outdoor as well for the rental usage. And also you can see here for the stacking unit. This cabinet size is 500 by 1000. On the corners, there are some cloth, which is closing the gaps. And also here we have the same cabinet in the smaller size, 500 by 500. And all the specs are same. Every corner we have corner protection. And also we have the cloth to close the depths. And you see here, for the corner protection. And the power supplies again, two pieces. One is for redundancy, and in the middle we have the receiving cards. And for the 3.9, this can be used together. On that corner, I would like to show you our new transparent display. This can be used also for indoor, outdoor, and transparent. Maybe you can see the transparency. We can adjust the brightness for 1000 or 3000 nits. And on that corner you can see the receiving card and also for power supply inside. And you can see our new type of locks, which is very stronger than before. And here we have the shutter. In any case, we can close the shutter. It can turn the normal display. But in that case, you can see it's transparent now because the shutter is open. And maybe you can see here how we install. And we have a new type of hanging bars, totally designed in Europe. And this one, you can see our Touring system flight case. In these, you can see the size is 1 meter by 1 meter. We can combine 2 pieces cabinets. And the cabinets inside, we are using Pillory C series, which is here. Here you can see our Pillory C, which is our best improvement now. It's carbon fiber, lightweight, and last product, which I would like to show you here, we have 90 degrees of connections. We call it as Pillory Arc. Pillory 45, sorry. On 4 corners, it's 45 degrees. You can make cubes as well. And you can make that kind of corner connection. If the structure is good, there will be no gap for this. Yeah. And our website is www.lightlink.com. And we have also Europe office in Paris. And we have after sales service in Paris as well. Hope to see you again next year in Barcelona.